welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is selinazinchuk. My channel is about DIY natural hair and beauty. If that's something that interests you, come on and join the family. As you guys know, I recently bought my dream mansion. My husband and myself with our kids, we moved from Florida to Atlanta, and we are now just trying to fix it up. So my mother-in-law, myself, my husband, we went to Home Depot just to pick up few flowers because I got some of my aloe vera and my cactus. I brought some of them from Florida. So we went to just pick up few plants, and guess what happened? We got a whole farm on our back porch right now. So I'm just going to show you guys exactly what we got. And you know, I also love natural ingredients for my DIY products. So I'm just so excited for all of this that we got. And they are all natural plants. I pick up few fake blends, just few, but the rest of all of this is all natural plants. So I'm just going to go through it and show you guys it and take you guys along. Got 3 lavender, 1 big one, and then these 2 small ones. What do you think we're going to be using these for, Mom?
Well, they can go in teas. They can go in your bath.
Yes.
They're great for keeping insects away. We'll keep some
awesome.
outside, have some inside.
Yes.
Fragrance is very wonderful.
Yes. So that's what we're going to use it for. And then I also plan on including them in our DIY growth oil. The lavender and the rosemary. You guys know rosemary are also great for hair growth. So we also got rosemary. We got rosemary somewhere around here. That's the rosemary?
That's your rosemary.
Yeah, so this is the rosemary. We also picked up the rosemary. And then another one I'm so excited for, the hibiscus. The first my mother-in-law was the first one that picked this up, and she saw it, and I was like, oh wow, hibiscus is also so great for the hair and the scalp. So we got 3 hibiscus. So this is 1 year, that's the second one, and that's the third one back there. So we got 3 different hibiscus, and then I also plan to keep some inside and also outside. Now this one, Mom, this is what
These are your herbs.
these are
All your
different
herbs.
type of herbs in here.
Oh, we've got basil,
Okay.
lavender, mint, oregano, rosemary, sage, and thyme.
Oh wow! So all of that, we got it in this pot. I think we need to transfer it to a bigger pot, right?
Yes, we're going to transfer it so we
transfer.
can keep cutting because we use it in cooking
Yeah.
and your hair
And
products,
also, yes,
everything.
the hair product. And sage too is also great for the scalp. Now the next flower we got is, this is my husband's favorite flower, or one of your favorite flowers.
It's the favorite.
Okay.
That's our gardenia. I grew up in Southern California, and my grandmother had these all around the water cooler. In California, we have water coolers. We don't have air conditioners because it's very arid. But these have a very fragrant smell, very beautiful smell, and the entire house would always smell like gardenia. So every home that we've had so far, I've bought gardenias and had them planted, and this home is no exception, and this is the beginning.
Yes. So can we also keep one indoor, or they always have to be outdoor?
These are, you want these outside.
Outside.
The bees love them, the butterflies love them, and they're just a pleasure to the smell.
So do they live, do they grow all year round? Because you know you get cold year.
Well, we've got 2 different ones here. This one is for your extreme cold climate.
Okay.
These are frost proof. And these are considered a hardy. So as you can see, they're in full bloom right now.
Yeah.
This guy, I don't see a single bud on him yet.
It'll be coming at the end of May.
End of May. Okay. So yeah, so that's what we have for that. And now the next flower is the rose. This one, I picked this rose herb. As you guys know, my mother name is Rose, and then my late mother, because I lost her in 2017. And then I also named Aurora after her. Aurora name is Aurora. Aurora got two grandmother name. Aurora Rose Linnea Zinchuk. So this is the flower. I mean, when I saw it, I just remember my mother, so I decided to pick that, and I will probably keep that in my office. Flower we have is Peace Ladies.
Yes, the peace lilies. One came from Florida, got all beat up in the
Yes.
back of a truck.
This one.
So we're recuperating it, and then of course we got another one. And peace lilies just bring harmony, in my opinion, to families and stuff. They're
Yes.
named properly. They've got a beautiful white bloom, as you
Yes,
can see.
and they are beautiful.
They have great green foliage, and they grow big.
Oh, okay.
You know, if you keep care of your peace lilies, they'll last you forever.
Okay.
And you repot them. You don't
Yeah.
saturate their roots or anything,
Mhm.
because they like water, but yet they can dry out. You can leave these guys alone.
Okay.
And when you see their leaves drooping some, you know it's time to give them some water.
Okay. So yeah, so that's our beautiful Peace Lady, and I just love that also. This flower, this looks so beautiful. Do you guys just see how different it looks? This is called Ponytail Palm. This is what Mom pick up also, and it grows. You said it grows very
It grows
big.
really, really big.
Yeah. So just
So we're gonna
imagine.
repot it and,
Yeah.
and keep repotting it to get it bigger and bigger and,
And
bigger.
bigger. Yes.
But the curls in the
Hair.
head and the leaves
Yes.
remind me of Sonia's long
Sonia,
hair.
yeah.
So we're gonna try to keep him going
Going
for
well.
as long
And even the name Mom is a hairstyle also, the
Yeah,
ponytail.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it's,
yeah.
so, yes, we got that. This one too, Mom pick it up, and guess what the name is? Pinktas. You know my middle name is Pinkton, right? Or if you don't know, we mentioned it on our family channel, the Zinchuk family. My middle name is Pinkton, and my husband always joking me with that name. So Mom, she saw the name of this flower and she picked it up. So I didn't know that even my middle name was named after a flower, even though it was just a name that was put together, like my play name. But yes, I have my own flower. So guess what? One of this is gonna go in my office as well, because I plan to keep a lot of natural plants in my office. So that's what we're gonna do, and I will also show you guys how I'm gonna be decorating my office, so you guys will see exactly how everything is being placed indoor as well. This one in here is a banana tree. This is for Mom. She brought it from Florida, but yeah, it got beat up in the truck, but we'll try to revive it. And Mom knows a lot about plant, and she knows how to take care of them. So she's gonna help me to revive all of the ones that is looking a little bit not so good. So we're gonna try to bring them back to life. So this is the green giant. This is what Brian picked us up so we can plant it around our home, because it can also stand the winter, and according to Mom, she said it also grows very large. So we kind of put this into the ground all around our home. This sort of plant is what, snake plant, Mom? And
Yeah.
they have so many other names, right?
Right, it has all different kinds
Different
of names.
types of names.
But
And
it's an air purifier for the house.
Yes.
It grows in the house, and it grows very tall. It's just a
okay,
beautiful plant.
yes.
But I
So
think all plants are beautiful.
so this will be going inside, and what I like about it is also an air purifier, and so many other plants also, when we're reading on it, it's also air purifier. So if you want clean air in your home, try to turn to natural green plants in your home. They are a little bit work to maintain, but I just feel it's worth it. And then this pretty little one, Mom picked this up, and I just saw the pot it was in and how beautiful it looks. So I picked this up for my office, and then I also picked this up. This is also beautiful. It's in this pink pot. I got that too for my office. I
And
don't
this
I
one
don't
has to
remember
have
the
bright
name.
light.
bright light. Okay, so I will put it next to the window.
In the windowsill.
Yeah. This one, I don't know the name of it.
It should be on the pot. Maybe. Oh, here it is. This is a. Here you go.
Bromelain?
Yes.
Bromelain? Yes. And it's very beautiful. So this is gonna go in my office. So I think they also said this is also an air purifier. This is for optimal health benefits. So yeah, it'll probably be like an air purifier plant also. And this is another palm too, which mom said is good for air, purify the air, and then it also grows very, very big. So yeah, you guys know this is my cactus that I got from Florida. My aloe vera, I need to work on them because I don't like the way they are looking. I really need to repot them. Yes. And then my aloe vera, my cactus, aloe vera, cactus. So yeah, so this is all what we got. A lot of plain natural plants that we're going to put around the house, both inside and outside. I know we overdid it, but we don't regret it at all. Yes, and then we also got the potting mix, and then yes, I will show you guys exactly what we're gonna do with it. We'll probably start working on them tomorrow, putting them to their various location. So this area already have daylily, so it's just like a little cut. This is how it's looking. So we plan on putting rocks down and putting some flowers here. So this is just the before, how it's looking, and then I will show you guys how we kind of fix this place up. Okay, family, so those are all the beautiful plants that we got, and this is just the beginning because we're going to continue to turn to natural ingredients. You guys will see how I'm using all of these plants on my hair, my kids' hair, my family hair, my friends' hair. And yes, just turning to natural ingredients is the best way to go. And what is more important if you are growing it yourself, because we are going to use all organic fertilizers and things to grow it. So if you love this video, can you please give us a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.